Hi, it's Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and in this video, I want to show you how you can go live from the new Facebook Business Suite, as it's now called, and that's your business page on Facebook. So why would you want to go live? It is an excellent way to showcase perhaps an open house, a sale you're having at your business. What happens when you use video is Facebook favors video, and it helps your video get into more news feeds faster for less money or no money at all. So when you do a live video, that's like supercharging a video when it comes to Facebook. So let's follow along as we use the new business suite on your Facebook business page to do a live video. Hi, here we are now on my mobile phone. And what I'm going to do is I'm looking down at the very bottom. You see where it says 99? That blue, light blue box app is known as the Facebook Business Suite. And this is how you go to your Facebook business page. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click now on the Facebook Business Suite app in order to go to our Facebook business page. And you might have to connect your business page if you have not already done it. In the past, this app looked like a gold or an orange flag, and it has now been replaced with this little icon that you're seeing with the circle in it down below. So let's click on it now. And it opens to your Facebook business page and your Instagram account, as you can see in the icons right above, just under the home tab. Now what we want to do is we want to add a post, and we can do that several ways today, but the way that I'm going to show you now is we're quite simply going to click on the blue box at the bottom with the pencil in it. Go ahead. And it is right here, pretty simple. It says live video. Now, what you want to do first of all is click the little drop down arrow at the top, and then you can choose if you want to do it on your Facebook business page or your Instagram account. And I'm going to take it off Instagram right now and click done. And now I am only on my Facebook business page. Now from here, you're going to click on the words live video. And don't worry, it does not go live right away. So go ahead and let's click live together. And it opens up, and there I am right on the screen, because I've allowed video and I have also allowed my phone to use the microphone. So those are two things that you might have to enable when you start to go live on Facebook. Now, before you go ahead and press the blue button there that says start live video, why don't we look around a little bit? You'll notice at the very top, we could turn the camera around. And now it's not on myself, but it is on maybe the subject property that I want to talk about. But I also want you to notice that I am holding my phone in a vertical position, very similar to how you use it on Instagram. This is Facebook, and I want to use more the wide screen angle. So I am now going to turn my phone horizontal. I now have my phone in the horizontal position, and this is also known as the wide screen. I could, in fact, try to use some of the beautiful mystery masks, popular masks, things of that nature, but because I'm not shooting myself, it would try to find a head, so to speak. But I've got the outside on my camera view. So I'm going to click on this little one here, and you see it's trying to find a face. So I'm just going to click the X in the top right hand corner and lose that screen. But you can go through all of these different filters, as they're called, and look what they do. And if you don't like what you see, you click the X in the top right hand corner, and you can try another one. And just so you can get familiar with what you're seeing. I like this one with the leaves falling. That's really pretty. I might just leave that one on. And I can click the little wand in the bottom right-hand corner to bring up even more filters. And if I turn the camera back around, I could use the filters, the makeup filters, right? and it gives me really nice looking teeth and lips, and I love this filter. I use it a lot. So I still have not gone live at this point. And if I clicked on the X in the top left-hand corner, I could just turn my video right off and get rid of the filters. So the filters are now, I clicked the X in the top left-hand corner and it removed all the filters across the bottom. And so now I just have that one filter on that I chose earlier. So you can take your time and look at what all the different filters are, whether you want to use one or not use one. But before you press go live, I think it's really important that you tap on add a description. And I'm just going to put test live. And this just lets people know what your live video is about. And I'm going to click done. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the blue button with the video camera in it to go live. And it's going to say how well I have Wi-Fi connection, and my Wi-Fi connection was great. I'm now live right here on Facebook. You can see those leaves flying around. I chose those as a filter, as well as the makeup filter that I absolutely love. If people came on, they could say hi. They could try to ask to join as well. And so we're just practicing going live using the new Facebook Business Suite. And you're welcome to say hello, and you can even try to ask to join the video if you wanted to. You can't join the video from your desktop computer. We do know when I'm on a personal profile that you can share your screen, as well as you can share your screen when you're going live on Instagram. And on Instagram, you have the people one on top of the other. Hey, Hugh. Nice to see you here with us today out in Ontario. It's getting late there. I was just showing everyone, Hugh, how you can go live, and you've done it before. You've done some great videos on the new Business Suite, and I can turn my camera around if I was at my open house, and I could show you a few little things. There's my little puppy having a little sleep. Hi, puppy. But it's a really nice way to showcase products and your services. And really, that's all we were doing today, is talking about holding your camera in the vertical position on Instagram and horizontal here on Facebook, and just practice and you'll get comfortable. The more and more you do things, and remember that Facebook does favor video. So I will now turn this video into a YouTube video, and it will be on the YouTube channel for you to practice and to follow along. So it's trying to add Hugh right now. So this is a new feature to bring someone on a business page. Now, you've had this feature on your personal profile, but this feature is relatively new to the business app. Now, it says it's trying to add you, Hugh. I'm not sure if you're going to allow me to bring you on. If you don't want to, just go ahead and say not at this time. I don't know what you're doing right now, so. But I'm gonna keep an eye on this new feature, and let's see, and making sure you can turn it off at the end. Yes, that's right. Well, there's a button that says finish. And at the end, after you click finish, it then asks you if you actually want to publish this video. So it's a great way to practice, even though you are live while you're practicing, but you can delete the video afterwards. So this feature must not be enabled yet, but I can see it's coming. So we're gonna keep practicing. And Hugh, it's great to have you here today. I'm sorry that it's not allowing you to jump into the video, but I bet you within the coming weeks, we're going to wondering where I allow the camera. Click around, Hugh, and see if you can see where it's maybe click on the double people if you have it down at the bottom. And this feature, like I said, might not be working just yet because this is relatively new on the business page. You've always been able to bring someone on your personal profile, but when it came to your business page, they've never allowed screen sharing on the mobile app or on their desktop version, although you can use a third party to share your screen, such as going live on Zoom or BeLive TV. So I think this is a feature that is coming. It's long overdue from Facebook, and Facebook, of course, is trying to be the number one at everything. So this is something that probably they are trying to accomplish. Hugh, you have a wonderful Sunday evening. Great to see you here. And remember, everyone, let's keep it simple. So I click finish.